So what's up guys again, doing another little video, just give you guys a heads up of what's going to be going on the channel. I'm going to be making a two-part series. What I mean by two parts is, the first part's going to be my suspension. So I'm going to do a complete series of the suspension mounts I'm going to do. I do have my K member coming in from VMR, should come in either this week or next week. I did order it on Sunday, I believe. So it takes a while to get here from American Muscle because, you know, East Coast. And then next thing will be toe links, vertical links, and pretty much whatever you guys suggest. If you guys have any suggestions on suspension mods, please send them my way. I would like to know, look into them, and possibly get them and throw them onto my car and make a video about it. The next thing I will be doing is Project Boost. Been wanting to go boosted for a long ass time and just never done it because it costs money. But that's something I'm looking into doing. So first of all, we like to gain the supporting mods that go along with boost, and then the end goal is to be slap a fucking blower on there or some twin Turskies or a Pro Charger, Paxton, Vortex, whatever it be. But yeah, that's gonna be the two-part series, and after that do some more appearance shit on it. So yeah, like I said, so far right now we're gonna be working on suspension mods first. So if you guys have any suggestions, send them my way. Let me know what you guys want to see, and let's get this shit fucking rocking.